See? You see it, right? You see capturing it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you hold it like this. Yeah, folks, so I'm like mentoring my brother how to film me. You know, I want to fish. Yeah, I want to fish. So my guy is giving me the hook. Yeah, for a long time, I have not fished yet. So I want to see. Yeah, join into my YouTube channel, folks. Kindly consider subscribing. This is Brother Sherry. Come on, come down small. Come down a bit. Let my audience see me. Yeah. It's a rainy day. Come down, come down, come down. Yeah. Yes, you know, for long I've not been doing this. I'm coming live from Jaro. Put the camera back so at Jaro. Yeah, that's Jaro. This is our water source area. Yeah, when my city get the water supply from here. Yeah, I really wanted to show the entire fence. Oh, come on, Augustine. It's like no fish here.
Go.
No, it's okay. It's on. It's working. Yeah, it's like no fish here. For long, I stopped fishing, so I really want to catch a fish. But Augustine, see bear this morning. Have you catch some? Oh my goodness! okay. But I want to catch my own too. But it's like no fish in the water here. Yeah, I cannot understand that no fish in the water.
Is it working?
Huh?
Working?
No, don't worry.
Oh.
The camera is recording, don't worry. I really wanted to catch a big fish here. Yeah. I miss it. It's not there.
Let me see. They want you.
It's somewhere. Okay, very good. I'm going to disgrace this one. This guy is too smart. Very good. Yeah.
Let me see again.
I got to see him anyway. Okay, folks, so I was not lucky today, so I got to leave.
Let me try.
Yeah, I was not lucky. So I'm coming live from Jaro. That's Jaro. Yeah. Tell you for real. Vonjama water source will get our water from here day and night. No shortage. We will not go out of water in the city, no. Yeah, as you can see, one of the pipe here running straight. Vonjama. This I think this was installed almost like 5 years back now, right? Oh, 2022, oh, early time. Okay, so that's okay, so 2015 this place was installed because Jaro was actually existing before, but during the war it went down. So right after the war, you know, the people rehabilitated the entire area and then modernized it. As you can see, a lot of solar panels. Yeah, a lot of solar panels. Here is over 100 solar panels. Yeah, so it's operating like that. I mean, no fish here. No fish here. So let's go. Augustine, man, I'm leaving. So I will see what to do. Then I'll get back to you. More water is coming. What? This is Jaro, folks. Here we get our water source from here. See the water over there. Yeah. The entire area is flooded. That's Jaro. The entire area is flooded. But this place probably tomorrow I'll come in here. Then I will showcase this place to you guys. Yeah, trust me, I will come here tomorrow. So if you are joining to my YouTube channel, can you consider subscribing? This is Brother Sheriff. Wow. What about me? I'm waiting for you right up there, yeah? You want to catch some fish? Yeah, at least. Yeah, you really want to fish. I'm like, what? This is one of the largest swamp here. Very large. Probably for some of you that don't know this place, this is Jaro. We get our water source from here. Yeah, and the river there. They process the water from the river straight in the reservoir there. That's what building is the reservoir. So processing in there. This one too is one of the reservoir. Processing in and then sending through the city. Yeah. So my next plan is, I keep saying that, probably October or November, I will actually like to visit other places, like other counties, to actually understand and then interact with the people that reside in those counties. And then I believe that some of my audience from the southeast, here, many of them from the southeast, and many from Lofa County and other areas. So particularly I will now just be in Lofa County. Instead, I would like to visit other places too. Yes, surely I will do that, and I promised that already. So this is Jaro that I'm coming from. That's Jaro. Wow, you catch some fish?
No.
Why? Give away, eh? Wow, today been a rainy day, so now no bikes. All the bikes, everybody just scared of the rain, so I gotta go home. There's nothing I can do now. So the time here is 31 past 6. Yeah, 6:31. So I gotta go home. It's been a rainy day, folks. Since today, just been raining. So there's nothing I can do, and I gotta walk from here to my house. You know, Vonjama this September month. Alright, tomorrow. Huh? Laguna. Why? It's gonna rain? It's raining, eh? Alright. So, folks, that's one of my brothers. So I want for him to walk with me, but now he is complaining that it's raining. Yeah, I'm taking a full of my slipper. Yeah, that's how I walk. How are you? Funa? So I gotta jog to my house. Yeah. Now, how you doing? How you coming on? Fine. Gotta get some street food. I want to get some roast corn from over there. But however, I'll try to get a roast corn. I purchased to my house there. They also sell a roast corn there. Folks, it really been raining today in Vonjama. Yeah, there's no time to go somewhere. It's just been raining all along. Sometimes if you try to rent a bike, they will tell you that it's raining. We're not going, and then I need to get a raincoat, other stuff, you know. Though I have a raincoat, but sometimes the bike riders, they will complain that the road is bad. I really wanted to visit Kugbeman. Yeah, that was my plan, to visit Kugbeman and Vonema. And yeah, literally those villages are not too far from Vonjama. So I'm like walking to get to my house. Really, folks, there's something that I really want to stress on, is that, you know, the camera I'm using now, yeah, I only have one battery, and then I have the memory card, the SD card I have also, it's not large. Yeah, they don't have more storage, so I need a SD card, and I need a spare battery. Sometimes when you are filming, you run out of battery. How are you doing there? Naba, Koyo, how you doing? So, like I was saying, sorry, you know, that's the tradition when you when you are passing, gotta speak to people. Yes, yeah. So I'm sorry. Brother Sherry just used to that. Sometimes you wave to them, you just speak to them, and then just pass and then go home. Just imagine, yeah, walking in the rain, yeah, without no umbrella, and it's almost getting dark here. Those guys from Guinea. That's fish. He's carrying fish. Wow. So we supply fish from. They also bring fish from Masanta here. There's no cold storage in entire Vonjama, no cold storage. Yeah. So our frozen materials come from Guinea. Some come from Zozo. Yeah, Masanta and Zozo. Those frozen foods come from there. The reason sometimes they order from Guinea because Guinea is very close to Vonjama, and then Zozo, the road from here to Zozo is very, very deplorable. So sometimes if you have those goods on Kai to bring them to Vonjama, and understand that they are perishable goods, yeah. So at least in Masanta, Guinea, if you have it on a buy less than an hour or 1 hour 20 minutes, something like that, maximum 1 hour 20 minutes, based on the road condition, so they will bring it very fast. But for Zaza to Vonjama, sometimes they sleep on the road, and they sleep on the road, it might be something different, because if the ice leave it, you know, then sometimes you get a different level. What? I need to go right now. I need to actually rush on. It's raining, folks. It's raining seriously. It is raining seriously. What's up? You alright? Wow. I want to get some roast corn from here. I want to get some roasted corn from back there, but I think there's no roasted corn there. Oh, wow. Just got a rainy day today. Seriously.